How to add email address button to Instagram profile. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can add email address to your Instagram profile. Now to do so, open up the Instagram app, and then what you want to do is tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen, and then again tap on the three-line icon on the top right corner of your screen. And once you do this, head into settings. Now the first thing you have to do to add email address to your Instagram profile is switch to a professional account. Now once here, head into account and scroll all the way down below. You'll get the option switch to professional account. Tap on it and continue. Now here you'll be able to make a new professional account. Tap on artist. Now I choose artist, but you can select any option you want, and here if you are business related you can choose business. If you are creator you can choose creator. I'll just tap on creator here and then tap on complete your profile, and here you can add other various things, but I'll just quickly save it. Now once you save it, open up the Instagram app again and head into your profile. Now once on profile, this time what you want to do is edit profile, and under category you can find the option contact options. Tap on it and here you can find the option business email address. Now you can add email address to here. If you want to add Instagram audio calling, if you want to add business phone number, you can do it, but I'll just add email address here. Type in your email address. Now once you do this, what you want to do is tap on display contact info that you can see, toggle the switch on, and then tap on the tick mark. Once you do this, save it. Now if you reload your profile, here you'll find the email address option, and if you open it up you can directly message it from here, and other users will be able to email you directly from it. So this way you can add email address button to Instagram profile. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.